Hey you guys, it is still, what is today? Monday. No, today is Tuesday, the 11th. So you guys know I have this paint left over from painting the walls and stuff. And if you guys, I'll turn the camera around and show you, but the back wall in the kitchen is almost the same color, I think. But if it's not, I'm gonna go over it anyway, because I think that was a matte finish that we had put on there. So this is a semi-gloss, so you need semi-gloss when you have water. But guys, I have decided to paint this back wall here, splash. And if you guys look down here, I don't know if you can see, I'll show you. There is large baseboards, like really large baseboards. Oh, you can see. These baseboards are like 6 inches. So I think that will really look nice. So I was gonna get started on it. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, you will see, but I'm gonna just show you guys what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint a little bit so you can see the difference, the contrast of the white with the gray here. And I just think it's gonna give this kitchen a nice new look. I really do. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, can you see the difference? You can see the difference here. Okay, and so that's what I was talking about for the back wall. Good morning, guys. Happy, what is today? Happy Wednesday, the 12th? Yeah, May 12th. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I need to get up. It's like 6:45 in the morning. I don't feel like getting up, but I have to. But yeah, guys, the sun is out. It looks really, it looks like it's warm, but I don't think it's going to be. I think it's going to get up to 58, I think it said, or 57. That's still kind of cold to me. But we will not complain. We're going to just get up, make the best out of it. So I'm going to get up, get the bed made up. I need to get in the shower, and let's get the day going, okay? How about that, y'all? How about that? shower. I need to get in the shower as soon as possible because I don't like myself right now, and I don't like the way my breath smells or tastes right now. But today, I'm trying to remember what is going on. Oh, we're gonna see the canvas today. You guys are gonna get a look at the kitchen today because she has a refresh. I'm gonna say a rebirth. What else? I think that's it for right now. Yeah, so canvas today, kitchen today, and guess what? I need to get in the shower for the 17th time. I think I've been saying it in my head that many times. I need to get in the tub and I need to get myself together. I need to get ready to go to work. So I will catch you guys a little bit later. I'm just trying to catch you guys up on, I think, whatever I had to tell you, but y'all know how that goes. You just forget so fast. But the sun is out. It looks like a beautiful day. When that sun is out, I'm okay. I like the sun. I just do not like the cold. I just think the older that we get, our body does not do good with cold. And we all know that cold is not good for your ligaments anyway. Well, not for mine. I'll speak for myself. So, yeah. Yeah, that's about it. I think it's supposed to get up to 57, which is almost 60, but it ain't 60. So, yeah. So, guys, let me get in the shower so I can clean up this body, and I will see you guys in a little while. How about that outfit of the day, honey? All right, y'all. Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Y'all, this is my tea bag, the last one out of my tea that I hauled from the bins, called the tea in a box that had the glass container with the bamboo lid. This is the last one. And I'm mixing it with my turmeric tea from Trader Joe's. But yeah, guys, quick word. I just opened up my Bible and I said I'm just going to read it. But remember how I always say, you know, God will work things will be okay. He will work things out. But you have to align yourself up for what goes along with that. You just can't be saying, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and he's still going to help me. No, you cannot do that. I'm going to read from John. I'm going to read 1 John. Yeah, I think this is 1 John. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm going to read John 14 and verse 13. And I will do whatever you ask in my name, so that the Son may bring glory to the Father. You may ask me for anything in my name, and I will do it. However, you have to be in alignment with what it is that you want, what it is that you want him to do, and you have to be in alignment of you are in the Word and you are living the truth. So, yes, he will do it, but you have to be in alignment. So, guys, that's all I have for tea time today. I had to come in here because you guys are nosy, and we can't see the kitchen yet until she comes back from work. So, I will see you guys later on this evening. Don't forget to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. Let's take a sip. So refreshing. So this world could be a much better place. I hope you guys did have your coffee and stuff and your other stuff. So guys, I will see you a little later, all right? Hey y'all, I think one thing, we're gonna put that rug out today. We're gonna put that rug on the deck today. Yes, we are. Yes, we are, because we can and we will. And the sun is out and it's supposed to be like in the 60s. So guys, what do y'all think about that? We're gonna take this beautiful rug, we're gonna put her outside. All right, hold the line. Hold the line, y'all. All right, hold the line. Let's see how we gonna do this, y'all. Let's see how we gonna do this. pretty right there. It ain't that big, but it's pretty. Hey guys, look, we are in the family room, and I just want to show y'all the canvas that I created. As you guys can see it right here, but I'm gonna bring it closer so you can tell me what you think. Y'all, I absolutely love the canvas. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at her, is she pretty? So this is what she looks like. Hopefully you guys can see really good. Let me tone it down a little bit. There we go, just a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little face here. Here's some lips right here, a nose, an eye, if you can see, like right here. But I'm gonna try to do something else more to that. But I end up just tracing her around in gold and just added like some distressed black, and that's that marker, that gold metallic marker. I used a Sharpie, I used the black paint, and guys, that's what she looks like. So I'm gonna let you get a little closer, and I just lined it too, like with gold, so it just makes it look like it's gold right there. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Someone had said yesterday that they liked it already, from I guess where I had showed it, where I was almost done with it, or letting the paint dry itself. But yeah, guys, I like it. So the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to go into the kitchen so you guys can see the paint in the kitchen. I just want y'all to see my picture behind me. Isn't she cute? I like it. But like I said, I'm gonna do some more work on it. Let me know in the comments, do y'all like it like this, or should I just leave it alone? Y'all know me, I be doing too much. Well, not doing too much, if I ever feel like painting something, I just do it. But yeah, I really like it. I think it makes the room look better. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. So let's get ready to head into the kitchen. All right, y'all, we're gonna head into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, like I showed you, I started off with the baseboards. So guys, hopefully you guys can see the contrast of the gray. Can y'all see that? Maybe I need to turn the light on. It's already bright enough in here, but can y'all, okay, now that's better. See how oh my gosh, I love it, y'all. I love it. Look how it turned out. I did put the E sign here. And okay, let's go down. Okay, there we go. You can see it there. And then I also went over the backsplash too as well. Y'all, I love it. And I minimized some of the stuff on the counter. I end up putting my two containers here, two baskets here. I put gold in this one because that one has the gold. And I like it. Forget the crumbles. I'm gonna make some spaghetti for dinner. So yeah, guys, that's what everything looks like. I put this over here on that side, and I put this stuff here. So matter of fact, while we are in here, hold on a second. I'm gonna put, y'all, hold on, give me a moment. I'm gonna put some stuff up on the table that I think will look better on the table. I'll just say that. So I'm gonna put, if you guys remember this from the plant, I tried to put it on the plant, the bottom of the pot of the plant, and I just said, you know what, I like it because of these legs. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in here. I think it was on the counter before, and I'm just gonna place these things here, like so. And I did put that little piece of wood thing on here for now. I'm not gonna glue it to that, but it's on there, and I'm gonna put my coasters here. And y'all, I like that. I like how that looks, and I have a place to keep my remote. What do you think? Look at that. She's on the roll, y'all. Look at that. I absolutely love it, y'all. Look at this. Look at it. Oh, let me know what y'all think about the paint. Look at it. Look at that in the floor. It looks so good in here. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So guys, yeah. I will see you all tomorrow. Look behind me. Y'all see the gray? Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. So yeah, I will see you all guys tomorrow in another video. Remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Bye.